Hi, welcome to day 3 of the Core Strength Challenge, and today we'll be working on the back muscles. So we have muscles that run down our entire spine, and today we'll be working on strengthening those muscles. So this is really key for spinal support and protection as well. So we'll make our way onto our bellies. Bringing your hands in line with your shoulders, toes on the floor. Start to push the toes, the pinky toe into the floor. Feel the leg muscles engage. They might start to lift off the floor as well. Chin to the mat. So from here, we'll just start to slowly lift up the chest, being careful not to crunch the neck. And then just see if you can lift the hands off the floor. And we'll hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then just slowly come back down. You can just rest your head on one ear, bring the arms down by the side, maybe just roll the hips out side to side, release any tension in the lower back. And we'll do that again, so just bring your hands back in line with your shoulders, chin to the mat, push the pinky toes into the floor, feel the legs engage. And then on the inhale, rising up. And see if you can lift the hands off the floor. I'm going to keep breathing here. And we'll hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then just slowly make your way back down. This time, just turning the head to the opposite side, arms down by the side. Maybe just roll out the hips again. And then coming back to center. So this time we'll take locust pose. So we'll start with just the upper body and then we'll add the legs in if you like. So just see how it feels in your back. This can be quite an intense pose for some people. So we'll have the hands to the floor, backs the hands down, palms facing up. Chin can come to the floor as well. Before we start, I just want you to imagine that you're really pulling through the crown of the head and also the toes. So it's almost like your spine is just being stretched. You're pulling through the fingers towards the back of the mat as well, so you can feel some length get created in the neck. And on the inhale, we'll start to lift the upper body up, keeping the hands pushing down into the mat. So it's just the shoulders and the chest that raises. So you can stay here if you like, or if you want to lift the legs, we'll just push the legs in together so they're zipping up, so they're nice and strong. And then just see if you can lift the legs off the mat. They don't have to come off too far. And we'll hold it here for the count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then just slowly making your way back down. Maybe just roll out the hips side to side a little bit. Release any tension. And we'll do that one more time, so taking whichever option is best for you. Bringing the chin to the mat, arms down by the side. Again, imagine you're pulling through the crown of the head and the toes. You can feel the length forming in the spine. Pushing down with the hands, feel like the fingers are pulling away from the body. And on the next inhale, just start to lift the chest and the shoulders up. Gaze can be up if it feels okay for the neck, but you don't want to crunch the neck at all. So it's also fun to just look down at the mat. Start to push into the backs of the hands. And then if you like, you can lift the legs by just really pushing the legs together to engage the muscles, protecting the lower back. So if you can just lift the legs up. If If you feel any pain in the lower back at all here, then just come out of the pose. And then slowly roll yourself back down, releasing the head to the opposite side, rolling the hips out. And just bring your hands and make a little pillow, rest your forehead on there. We'll just take a few deep belly breaths here, so that really helps to release tension in the lower back. So breathing into the belly. Just take 3 deep breaths. One more. Great. And then slowly start to make your way up. So I hope your back feels nice and warmed up from those exercises. It's a really great way to strengthen those muscles that can help prevent lower back pain. That said, they can be quite intense, so if you do at all feel any pain during those poses, please make sure you come out of them and just take baby steps and build up slowly. So that brings us to the end of day 3. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you back for tomorrow, day 4. Have a great day.